Hello and welcome back to AI Mental Health Coach. I'm Theodore, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today. In our busy lives, it often feels like we don't have time for much, especially when it comes to self-care. But what if I told you that just 5 minutes a day could make a significant difference to your mental well-being? Today, we're diving into powerful, quick, and effective practices you can easily integrate into your daily routine. Ready to invest just 5 minutes in yourself? Let's get started. First up, mindful breathing. This isn't about stopping your thoughts, but rather about anchoring yourself in the present moment. Here's how. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or standing. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then gently leaving your body. Don't try to change your breathing, just observe it. If your mind wanders, and it will, gently guide your focus back to your breath. Do this for just 60 seconds. This simple act can reduce stress, increase focus, and bring a sense of calm. 1 minute, that's it. Next, let's cultivate gratitude. Shifting our focus to what we're thankful for can profoundly impact our outlook. For this, take another 60 seconds. You can either think about, say aloud, or quickly jot down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be monumental. It could be the warmth of your coffee, a kind word from a stranger, or simply the fact that you woke up today. Focusing on the positive, even for a minute, rewires your brain to notice more good in your life. Our third practice is a quick body scan. We often carry tension in our bodies without even realizing it. Again, for about a minute, bring your awareness to your body. Start from the tips of your toes and slowly scan upwards. Your feet, ankles, calves, knees, thighs, all the way up to the top of your head. Notice any sensations without judgment. Are your shoulders tight? Is your jaw clenched? If you find a tense spot, consciously try to soften and release that tension as you breathe out. This helps you connect with your physical self and release stored stress. Practice number 4, a positive affirmation. The words we tell ourselves matter. Choose a short, positive statement about yourself or your day. It could be something like, I am capable and strong. I choose to focus on the positive today. Or, I am worthy of peace. Repeat this affirmation to yourself, either silently or aloud, with conviction, for about 60 seconds. Let the meaning of the words sink in. This helps to challenge negative self-talk and build self-esteem. And finally, our 5th practice, mindful observation. This is about engaging your senses with the world around you. For the last minute, pick an object in your environment, a plant, a pen, a picture. Really look at it. Notice its colors, textures, shape, and any details you might usually overlook. Then, if appropriate, touch it, noticing its temperature and feel. You can even notice any sounds around you or smells. This practice grounds you in your current reality and can be a wonderful antidote to overwhelming thoughts. You don't have to do all 5 every day. Pick 1 or 2 that resonate with you, or rotate through them. The key is consistency. Committing just 5 minutes daily can create a ripple effect, enhancing your mood, reducing stress, and improving your overall mental well-being. It's a small investment with a potentially huge return. So there you have it, 5 distinct practices, each taking just about a minute. Mindful breathing, a gratitude moment, a quick body scan, a positive affirmation, and mindful observation. Thank you for joining me on AI Mental Health Coach. Try these out and let me know in the comments which practice you're going to start with. Remember, taking care of your mental health is a journey, not a destination. I'm Theodore, and I'll see you in the next episode.